Alright, hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be reviewing the Nerf Rough Cut 2x4. Starting up with the front of this blaster, or actually this blaster included 8 Nerf darts, just the standard blue Elite Nerf darts, but one thing that's different about them is they say Nerf right there. You might be able to make out the Nerf thing, but this blaster is a spring-powered shotgun blaster, but you can choose to, it's a 2-stage blaster, so it's 1, 2, 1, 2, like this, 1, 2, or you could go shotgun mode. What the heck? That's weird. You can go shotgun mode like this, which it clearly doesn't want to go shotgun mode. Wait. Oh my god, does this even... Does it even have a shotgun anymore? Wait one sec. It said this is a shotgun, but it's not shotgun. One more try. Oh my god. Wait one sec. So it should shotgun if I get another bullet. No, it's not shotgunning. Well, you know what? Cut.